Okay, so here we are in Cambridge. The customer, we had been here before for an issue under this back mudroom, and we'd performed the exclusion successfully and everything went well, but now they're hearing running around in their roof and in their soffit line, so likely squirrels. But we're going to go up and take a peek here and see what we can figure out. Yeah, and you can already tell there's been an entry point discovered here. It looks like someone tried to fill it all in with bricks and rubble, but that clearly runs right back into the soffit line. Plus they can also hop right through that back into there. That's for sure a route of entry, is that there's no protection here into the soffit line. So this literally just runs right back. And that's the soffit you're looking at back there. So there's nothing stopping them from just running in right here. Yeah, and as you can see here, this fascia, as soon as you lift this up, it's just an open shot right into the back. And over here too, you can see over in that corner they've been showing, and again right here, there's nothing stopping them from going right back into that soffit area. And this looks like it runs pretty well along the entire fascia line right there. And it's just, they can just have at it. You can see debris that they've left behind in there. That's definitely a problem area. That back corner is too. So yeah, so this soffit here, the intersection up there is just nothing but wood. There's not yet an entry point chewed, but we're going to quote for that anyways, just to make sure it's not a problem in the future. But again, right here, there is no protection going back into that soffit line, and you can see it's just a giant opening right here on the outside of the house. Now, there's literally nothing stopping them from getting back there. Even right here, it's just wide open, right into the back, and they're having a party in there. Probably have to chip away some of this ice to deal with the fascia, but yeah, it's just exposed wood all the way across. The front of the place doesn't look too bad. They've done some renovations, but this old mud room in the back is just, it's all wood, all exposed wood. And yeah, we're gonna try and help them out.